I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cram for an exam. First, identify the most crucial topics and concepts. Don't try to learn everything. Instead, pinpoint areas that carry significant weight or those you struggle with the most. Spend about 60% of your initial study time on these high-priority items. Reviewing previous assessments can also reveal recurring themes, helping you to focus your efforts effectively and efficiently. Next, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading notes, test yourself frequently using flashcards or by explaining concepts aloud. This method significantly boosts retention. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to practicing with sample questions or past exam papers. Simulating exam conditions, like setting a timer for 1 hour, helps you manage your time and reduces anxiety during the actual test. Strategic breaks are essential for effective cramming. After every 45 to 60 minutes of intense study, take a 10-minute break to rest your mind. Crucially, prioritize sleep. Aim for a full 7 to 8 hours the night before your exam. Pulling an all-nighter is counterproductive. It severely impairs memory consolidation and cognitive function, making it harder to recall information when it matters most. On exam day, arrive at least 50 minutes early to settle in and reduce stress. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. Before answering, read all instructions thoroughly, paying close attention to keywords. Allocate your time strategically. For instance, if a question is worth 20% of the total grade, spend roughly 20% of your available time on it. Stay focused and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.